Yo, what is going on, everyone? It is Tristan, and today in this video what we're going to be getting into is discussing the Rare Air Jordan 3, which, keep in mind, these are dropping May 30th, so not this month, actually quite a bit away, but the market has started to settle a bit for these. So if you're looking for maybe a pair slightly early, or you may be willing to pay those slightly early prices, maybe you're looking for some for a local flip, then hey, maybe look right around now. We'll get into it, we'll discuss it in this video, and I hope you guys will enjoy. So if y'all want more content like this, again, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. We're gonna have a pretty simple day over here. We're gonna get some kicks sold, we'll get some new inventory in. I think we gotta pick up some stuff and mail some stuff out, and yeah, overall gonna be a pretty chill day. We're gonna get this video edited in now. Yesterday was chill. We just, I watched like Jurassic Park, so yeah. And yeah, don't forget, if y'all want to check out the recent channel merch, any of that down below. Don't forget to check out the mug, any other stuff that we did recently, help support what we do over here. I'll be previewing some new stuff in like a day or two, whenever that lands, so excited for that. And of course, us at Resale Vision down below. Don't forget the undermarket sneakers, sneaker stock numbers, along with early info and raffle links that we provide to you guys daily. If that's the type of stuff that you guys are into, do not miss out on that, because we're always trying to keep you guys in the loop and informed. And of course, just get you those deals. That's our main thing we do daily. So that's it. I hope y'all will enjoy. You can also check out my IGs down below. I'm always buying and selling here, so if anybody's interested in, shoot me a follow, checking out what we do, feel free. That's it. Let's get started. Oh, and I'm gonna spend some time with my little cat over here, Luna girl. She's being silly today, but hopefully she'll eat some of her food that I got her this morning, but she usually takes a bit to, get into it, but let's get started. So we'll discuss the resale prices in a second. I mainly just want to show this to anybody that may be new here, or again, does not know the release date for this sneaker. So as you guys can see, 2025 Air Jordan 3 Rare Air. It's going to be dropping May 30th. So that's the main thing you just need to remember. May 30th drop date. I think it's a $210 retail price. So as long as you remember those details, you'll be good. But with this sneaker, as you guys can see, this is the main part that people are going crazy over. Of course, kind of that like inverse or reverse Nike Air that we have going on one of the heels. That's pretty cool. Not to mention on the actual tongue tag of the sneaker, I believe, or not the tongue tag. There's another portion of the sneaker that's also a little bit unique. There you go, the insoles. This is another part that I want to show you guys. You can see it kind of has that reverse look, and there's actually some people in the comments, as y'all can see right here. Look, some people saying this is an easy pass, right? These are cool, easy pass for me, on sale maybe. You know what I mean? Look, nice, but I can't wait to pass. I mean, listen, am I missing something here? Because I know all these people that are saying they're going to pass on the sneaker are probably going to be going for it on drop day, because the resale prices are very strong in it. The early market's been pretty strong at like $350 to $500. Same with the Jordan 4, you know what I mean? The Jordan 4 does have a little bit more to it, but I just want to mention that, you know what I mean? I think there is some hype there for these. They're coming May 30th. The resale prices are definitely there, and although it may not be as unique as the Jordan 4, which we are going to be getting later this year, it still is a very nice pair. That is one thing I want to mention. So keep in mind, May 30th drop date. Here, kind of again, the official images. I think the colorway fits together really well as well. That's another thing I want to mention. Like, all these colors blend together good on the sneaker. Usually blue and black don't go great together. I don't know. One of my homies said that to me back in the day, and I've disagreed with that ever since he said that, because I'm like, man, blue and black, you can wear that together. He always used to trip about navy and black. He said those two colors wouldn't go well together. But I'm like, bro, what? Like, it doesn't matter. You know what I mean? Still one of my good friends nowadays, so I hope he's doing good. But yeah, it just he was so picky about that kind of stuff. We would never agree. But aside from that, that's really what we got with this sneaker. It's a good pair. I think it's definitely gonna be. There's definitely gonna be some hype for these. Because keep in mind, if people miss out on the 4s, what are they going to be going for? I assume these will probably be dropping around the same time as the 4s, right? Maybe like a set, the 3s and the 4s together. But I almost say is the 4s, if they are scheduled to drop before these, and people take L's on the Rare Air 4s, they're going to be looking for these. I'm just saying. If they can't go get their Rare Air 4s, they're going to be looking for a pair of these to get for retail. So all the people that are saying pass, I don't know if that's going to be the case. Let me show you why. Here's further confirmation of, again, May 30th drop date. They say $200 retail, but I'm pretty sure it's $210. And again, here are the current resale prices. And let me show you, again, strong early market. Look at this. That's not like a BS early market. Those are all good sales at $350 to $500. So very consistent, and across a wide range of sizes too, from size 9 to 13. Very good early market. But y'all can see the size range. I guess you could say that. The prices that we got right now, between a range of about $330 to $500. And I'll put a plus on the 500 because the second you hit size 11, they start going for more. It's a usual theme and thing we discuss on the channel. Just once you get to the bigger sizes on sneakers, they're going to go for more. That's how it is. There's less of them made. There's usually around the same amount of buyers for them. Yeah, so the prices are going to be higher just because there's less of them out there for sale on the market. So I mean, that's usually the thing I do with SB Dunk Glow releases, just target the larger sizes. Benefits me most of the time, mainly trying to target like 13, 12, 14, 11, larger sizes. But that's also harder to do because there's just less of them out there. But again, where I think the market will head for these, my personal prediction is $270 to $400. I'm going to put a plus on that no, I'm not. I'm not going to put a plus on the 400. I'm just going to say 270 to 400 bucks. I think sizes 8 through 10 will get closer to that $270 range, and sizes 11 plus, again, like 11.5, 12, 13, the ones you see at $500 to $700 right now, I think those will get close to $400, maybe $380, but I don't know if they're going to go below that. We have to see what stock ends up being. If stock ends up being high, then sure, those will get closer to 350 bucks. But I honestly think the big sizes are very safe bets to target on the sneaker. I don't think this is a pair that will brick, considering that it is a fairly unique GR release, and it is a bit different than the recent Jordan 1s. So that's just something I want to say. Although the Jordan 1s, I personally think may have had a little bit more to them, the hype has been overshadowed on those. Let's be real. Most people are waiting for these or for the 4s. So that's just something that we need to keep in mind. But overall, nice sneaker. I'm excited for the release. Very unique pair. I like when they actually do this. It's actually nice. Make the shoe spin around. All right. But aside from that, y'all can see the bids too. This is another way you can tell that the early market is strong. Look at where the bids are at. 350, 400 bucks. These are good and strong bids. So that usually lets you know that, hey, the market's pretty good on these. This will probably end up being a good bet. So aside from that, StockX has the date wrong for release date. But aside from that, that's what I can say about these. You can see a decent amount of early sales, around 25. I think around 20 or so have happened on GOAT. So not too many. Again, most people are focused on the 4s, but I'm focusing on these two. Just keep in mind, we have a release coming up for these May 30th. It is a bit away, but you can see the early market is there. So do not overshadow these. I know a lot of people are saying pass or get them on discount. We have to see if they get there. You know what I mean? Hopefully they do. You know what I mean? I think a lot of people really do want this sneaker, so it'd be nice to see that, but I don't think it's going to happen. I think these and the 4s, they're just on two big name of models, right? Jordan 3s, Jordan 4s. I don't think people are going to let it break, basically, is what I'm trying to say. But that's what I can mention right there about the sneaker. We'll on the screen recording right there. And do not miss out the rare 3s. Again, coming soon, dropping May 30th. $210 retail price. I think the 4s are slightly before, if not around the same time. Actually, I'll pop up those details on the screen right now. So here's when the rare 4s drop. And keep in mind the 3s are either slightly before and after, or after, depending on that date. So yeah, that's really what I can say right there about the rare 3s. Don't miss out on it. I think it's going to be a good one to cop, and of course a sick one for the personal collection. Just depends if you're a Jordan 3 fan, but Jordan 3 is always a good go-to for daily wear. Keep in mind, very comfortable sneakers. So that's one thing I can say about Jordan 3s, my personal opinion. I love them wearing my black cements. So yeah, that's what I can say. But if y'all want more content like this, again, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget, let's just try to 300 likes in this video. That's the normal goal we always shoot for. So feel free to let me know if y'all got any questions in the comment as well. You know what I mean? We're trying to switch it up today. If y'all got something new y'all want to mention in the comments, like an on-feet video y'all want, or just another video idea, let me know. I'm always taking ideas or suggestions, so if y'all got any in the comments, feel free to mention them. Y'all really liked the best and worst seller hold video for 2025, so if y'all want a part 2 to that best and worst holds of 2025 video, let me know. We can do that. But yeah, that's really everything we need to say. If y'all want to check out again any of the recent merch, don't forget, got some of the tees right here. I got some new designs on the way. I'll be previewing in a few days, so stay tuned. And again, if you want to also check out my IG, that's also down below there in the pinned comment. You know, you can join some of the raffles that I do on my story, things we got for sale. There's tons of stuff there, so feel free to check it out if y'all want. But yeah, that's really it. I don't think we got too much more to say. So I'm T. Thank you guys. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video tomorrow. And, well, hopefully I'll catch y'all then. So don't miss out. Peace.